Well, hello again. So this is part 2 to my other video. I just divided it into 2 because I'm just gonna post that one alone and then I'll post this one the following day. So you'll see me wearing the same outfit, same do, same face. So this is the other box I got while I was on vacation. Like I said in my other video, if you watched it, I'll be posting a vlog on how it went and where I went and how everything was. But like I said before as well, I keep saying as I said, I got a few boxes while I was on vacation. And oh, I don't need a knife for this one, but I can already smell the new shoe smell through the box, and I love that smell. I just love it. So we got a regular Nike box. These are a pair of ones. I forgot the name of these. University, I don't know, I forgot, but I got these two. That smell, man, that smell just is everything to me. I don't know why, but it fills me up, you know. It's my drug. Anyways, back to the shoe. So look at this beauty. First of all, this purple is everything. Look at this. It's a nice smooth feel. Look, oh my god, I can't even look at this. And this yellow, it looks so good together. I love it. This is definitely like a summer shoe. Definitely a summer shoe. Like, look how pretty. Like, I don't even know what laces to put on it. Like, should you do yellow or should I do white? Like, I feel like the yellow is just pop. I feel like the white just be able to match with more. But like, who wants to play it safe nowadays? Like, go big or go home, right? But look at this. Oh my god, I love the shoe. So like the yellow has a more of a texture compared to this purplish color. Very, very nice and smooth. Smells amazing. Love the tag. Like the yellow sole. Oh, and it comes with the purple laces as well. I hate it when they do this to me. I don't know what color to put on. I always go with the safe color, which is white, but these purple might have to do compared to these yellow ones. I think the purple ones will look cute. I don't know. So hard. Let me know in the comments what you think I should do. And I'll probably make a video on what color I decide on my TikTok. So I'm gonna leave my information down below, so go ahead and follow me on TikTok. I do post a lot more on there because it's just easy access. But let's talk about the shoe. Let me know, what does everyone think? You love it? You hate it? It's okay? Do you agree it's a summer shoe? Would you buy it? Did you buy it? Did you win? Did you enter and not win? Tell me everything. Tell me everything down below in the comments. You know, I love to hear everything. But yeah, like, this is lately I've just been loving all the shoes I've been getting, and I don't need any more shoes, to be honest. But God just saying, take the win, take the win, take the win. So I can't say no to that. I don't want to jinx it and then I get nothing. So I will take anything that comes my way happily. Especially if it has to do with shoes. I love sneakers. I love shoes. I love it all. But yeah, let me know what you think in the comments. Like I said, I'll probably do the purple laces, but follow me on TikTok and you'll see what I decide. And I'll see everyone in my next video.